best thing about being part of Duets, that I get to dance and get to learn new moves.
The best part of being part of Duets is that I get to go on nice trips and get to dance in front of my parents.
That I get to learn new dances.
I think the best part is about social interaction with other people and learning new dance moves.
Getting the opportunity to do something I can't do and dancing freely.
Just having fun and seeing my friends and it being a scholarship. Being able to learn new dance moves.
What do your friends say about being a Duet Scholar? My friends say, how are you so good at dancing and why did you get the scholarship and not me?
Well, I think they're saying, I'm jealous, let me in!
They say I'm really lucky now and I have a good talent. How did you get in there? You're a great dancer. Bye. How does your family feel about you being a Duet scholarship? They feel really happy because I'm the only person who does dance for my family. They feel happy because I finally found a happy place that I like to be in and I could finally dance.
I think they're thinking that it's a really great opportunity for me because I've tried other dance classes before and I didn't, and they were always they were saying you got to do this, you got to do that, in that way and that. But in the duet, I can finally be free in my own dancing.
My mum feels really proud. Whenever she comes to a performance, you always treat me with something, with whatever I want, and she just feels happy for me.
My mum and my little sister are very proud of me, and my little sister, she's always asking me how to learn some of the moves that I do, and I teach her usually every time I come home from duets.
My mum feels happy, my dad feels proud, my brother's jealous. And I'm proud of myself for dancing really great.
My mum and my sisters are happy for me and proud. My dad is jealous. And my big sister Ikram is really jealous. But mostly they feel really happy for me.
How do you feel about being selected for a duet? I feel happy, proud, and on top of the world.
I feel very, very proud of myself and very like I can do it. I can do a lot of stuff, and because I got selected out of nearly like 100 people, and I'm really happy for myself.
I felt shocked, amazed, and proud of myself.
I feel very proud of myself in that I know I'm quite a good dancer, because before I joined duets, I wasn't very good at dancing, and now at least I know a few moves.
I feel very proud of myself, and I just feel really happy because every time I go home, I write down what I've done on a piece of paper, and I just feel really happy for me. I feel really happy because I weren't expecting to get chosen, and my family is really proud of me for being a really good dancer to go in there.
Can you show us some of the moves that you have learnt in your street dance class?
Sure!
steps that you have learnt in your ballet class?
What has been the best part about Duets so far? Well, so far I think it's been all the moves that we learned during street dance and ballet, and the moves that you have to do. It's quite difficult because you have to keep practicing to learn it off by heart.
The best part of Duets was when we went to Ballet Cymru to see all the ballet dancers do Cinderella.
I think meeting some actors from Cinderella, getting a free book about Cinderella so I know where all of them are from and what their names are, and I think performing in front of my parents.
Performing in front of my mum and other people, and going to watch the Ballet Cymru.
That my mum and my sister seeing me dancing in front of everyone.
My favourite part was when my mum came to watch me perform, and I'm just really glad that she keeps on supporting me.
What did you think about ballet before joining Duets, and what do you think about ballet now that you are learning it, have seen it and have met professional dancers? We have seen professional dancers. At first I thought ballet was boring, but then when I was starting to learn with the teachers, it made me think it was more fun.
Before I started Ballet Cymru, I didn't really think about doing ballet or like anything about it, but when I did join Ballet Cymru, I realised how good it is for me to become stronger and help me at other sports.
I think ballet was quite terrible and quite boring before I did it, but now I think it's quite good for, and I didn't even know that boxers like Mike Tyson and rugby players like Shane Williams even do it.
At first, I weren't doing ballet at all, but at first I didn't even think of doing ballet or put my mind to it, but now I've actually started to do it for quite a while. I feel that it's very therapeutic.
First I didn't think ballet, I didn't think it'd be really good, and I thought it was just for girls. But then when I started doing it, I shocked myself with how good I was, and now I enjoy it so much.
Before I thought ballet was boring because I watched a movie called Ballerina, and all the teachers were strict and rude, so I didn't want to do it. And then when I started Duets, I started liking it, but then sometimes I got hurt, so I didn't like it. But I still like it.
Since I've been doing Ballet Cymru and Rubicon, I feel different. I feel a lot stronger, a lot more confident in myself, and I'll always give something a try.